Nag-aalay sa Santo Domingo, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Santo Domingo Institute Incorporated CTP Unit, headed by the Troop Commander John Villaflor. Shandel Valdesco, S1. Arvin Arillas, S2. Jojo Benitez, S3. Jobert Olavario, S4. Majorit Leader Pioni Erino. DLC Leader Joseph Emmanuel Soliman. Company Commander Francis Salazar. Company EXO Harold Linya. First Battalion Leader Boys Chelmer Navarro. Second Battalion Leader Girls Andrea Faye Garlando. Principal Darlene Choi Baal. CTP Facilitator Lidio Sadol Jr. Majorit Coordinator Marian Ballester and Jolene Salazar. DLC Coordinator Romy Erino. Ladies and gentlemen, from Santo Domingo Institute Incorporated, Santo Domingo, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Mabalos, that was entry number 14 from Santo Domingo Institute Incorporated, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Next entry, the last but not the least of Category 1, entry number 15.
Nag-aalay sa San Agustin, Libon, Albay. San Agustin Integrated School, CTP Unit, headed by the Troop Commander Anthony James Diaz. Marta Jos Herina.